Hello, here today chasing more waterfalls. Here we have Upper and Lower Falls. The Upper Falls has been closed for quite some time, so we're doing the Lower Falls today. So just over there is the Sheoak picnic area. Start of the falls is this way. As I said, the Upper Falls has been shut for quite some time to damage of bridges and whatnot, but the Lower Falls is available, so let's go. So I walk another 10 minutes or so. There is a few very small trees down the track. So here we go, Lower Falls, another 1.5. Track's been pretty good so far. For a bit of rain about last night, I was expecting the track to be a lot more muddy and boggy, but considering it rained, it's actually holding up really well, and there's a few gentle declines and some gentle inclines, but nothing too bad at all. So let's continue on. See you down the road a little bit. Just past my second bridge, and the track is getting a bit more muddy and boggy now, so must be getting closer. I can hear a waterfall, but I can't see a waterfall, so I'll see when I get there. I shouldn't be too far. The track ahead looks quite straight, so past that part should be getting a bit closer. So I just come to a junction. Lower Falls down this way. Shouldn't be very long at all now. Going down slightly and boggy, but getting close. In less than an hour of walking, you get a little gem like this. Absolute gem. Alright, let's see if I can get behind this bad boy. What an absolute gem of a spot to walk about an hour or so, to be in a cave with a waterfall. Absolute gem. Walk's not very hard at all. A little bit of a incline and decline in spots, a little bit boggy underfoot, some very small trees down, easy to maneuver. Absolute jam. I'll add some snaps at the end of this video.